What's good, everyone? Welcome back to another live here at Trader's Journey. So we are going to go through some live crypto trading today. We've managed to place a few trades in the membership group, but we're going to do some live here on YouTube. So welcome to the channel. If anyone's new to this video or this channel, make sure you check out my Instagram, which is traderjourney_official. I do post there regularly, and feel free to DM me if you guys have any questions. So it's pretty exciting couple of days for crypto. We've seen it trending and everything seems to be doing pretty well in the crypto world. Lots of coins which we'll be getting into some discussions with, but some of the two coins which I'm currently looking at is one USD, which is otherwise known as Harmony, and I've also got another coin which we're looking at, which is HNT. So some pretty interesting plays. You can see here from my charts, man, we've got so many opportunities to trade this coin, and I can't wait to get into it with you guys. So if anyone's interested in trading crypto, this is the live you want to be checking out. So it's going to get fun, it's going to get exciting. If you guys want to get involved in cryptocurrency trading and just buying cryptocurrency, look at the links in my description box below. I've got some links to join some of the platforms. Binance, I'm mainly using Binance. I've got Coinbase, and I also have Qcoin, and those three should cover you on all the coins. Coinbase is probably by far the easiest, but the only issue is you don't get access to all the coins which we're looking to trade, for example HNT and one USD. But HNT, man, we've just consistently been finding trades here, and I'm just about to look at this actual area because I'm gonna play HNT at this bounce of the trend line. So I'll probably be looking at around that 6, depending on how fast we come down, probably at the 648 level. So hopefully we get our order filled to catch that bounce. But it is trending HNT, and I think we can play this again. Luckily we sold there at the top where we found resistance at 1720, around that level. But it seems to be coming down gradually here, so I think we're going to catch this dip. One USD, I really like one USD on the charts. I'm currently looking at one USD for 1657 or 1601. If we get either of those two entries, I'll be pretty pleased with that. So I'm gonna keep my eye on one USD. But if you guys have any other coins you want to mention or you want me to check out, just leave it in the live chat. Happy to get into that. But yeah, one USD. HNT will be trading that throughout the day. So yeah, let me know who's here in the live chat, and we can get into it. But yeah, HNT is coming down here, it looks like. Yeah, I really want to catch it back at the trend line. You can see it's caught this trend line on several occasions, twice, third, fourth, this is potentially the fifth time we may be able to trade HNT and catch a dip and make some quick money there. But one USD, I really hope this comes down a bit more to get a better entry. I am looking at 1657 at this point. 1658, maybe 1658. Let's call it 1658. When I say 1658, I mean 0.1658. It does look to be trending down here, so I think we do come down further. So I'm patiently waiting for a potential dip buy here on one USD. HNT though, oh, I just need it to come down a bit further here and I'll be able to get a dip buy. But we caught that dip here at 1610 and rode it up to 1720, which was a great day trade, great scalp, easy money there. So let's see if we can come down a bit further and try and catch a dip. But we're gonna have to be patient. Obviously, when volume is spiking like it had done in the past, here just earlier that volume spiked, so you caught that whole wave, which was fantastic. So just gonna have to be patient with this. But I think we come down to the trend line, and that'll be amazing. But yeah, I'm keeping an eye on one USD as well because I really want to get into this coin because of the huge swings. Easy money here. You're going from 16 to 18 in a matter of half an hour, so we could be making some quick money here. But at this point, the charts are telling me we're going to come down to 1657 or 16. I'm going to put it at 1660. So I really like 1660, but on the bigger time frame, you can see 1 USD is actually in this huge triangle. Not the cleanest of triangles, but it's clean enough for us to trade off of. So what I'm watching here on this 1 hour time frame is I want to wait for price to come down to 1658. If we bounce EMA's cross, we're good to go. I'll like that for a quick day trade. Whilst we're here, I'm just going to start charting this because I want to see where we have potential resistance and profit targets which we can utilize in our scalping and trade. So let's see what we got here. This is going to be fun because there's some pretty easy support and resistance here to make some good profits. So we've got some resistance at this high here. I'm going to chart both these highs because they're going to play a very key role when we're trading this. But oh man, the chart looks so good. Chart looks so good here, and I think we will be able to catch a very sizable move here, because if we can catch 1658 and we can break the triangle as well, then wow, we could imagine if we make our way back to that 22 cents, that would be a very nice trade. What's good, Jack? You right, mate? You right, mate? I hope you are well and you've managed to make some money on these quick scalps. But Jack, I'm just been talking there and said I like this Harmony coin at 1658. I think if we get 1658, there's a strong support here. As you can see, 1658 across, found support there, across, found support again, and it's been a bit of a choppy area previously, but for me at this point, just now as well, we've supported very well at 1658. If 1658 doesn't hold, I'll wait for rejection of that level. If it doesn't hold, I'm looking at potentially 1601 for entry here, guys. 1601 would be a fantastic entry back into Harmony, as long as that supports and holds. But we've clearly got a triangle forming here, so it will be a very nice breakout trade, because if we break out this triangle, I am pretty certain we can get back to that 20 cent range. Back onto HNT very briefly, because I am keeping an eye on it. Did I just miss a dip buy? I really hope I didn't, because I've been watching this one like a hawk. No, I think we come down a bit more on HNT, guys. I really think we come down a bit more. I would like entry at 1650. But we have to be careful here because this uptrend has been intact for a long time, and it could be a matter of time till we see this trend break. If this trend breaks, we may see big sell-offs here potentially, and that's where I want to catch a bigger buy-in on HNT, because it does happen. It does happen, and the way I'll prove it's happened before is we had a very similar uptrend forming here. Can you see this, guys? See, look what happened to HNT when that uptrend broke. It came back down, right? So I would really like to get in heavy once again at this previous peak of 1522. So I'll be looking for a heavier buy-in at 1522. So maybe adding another $200 there. So I'm going to add 200. I'm going to add up to 2K, but $200 frequently at dips, and just currently just trading $200 here at these dips, at this for quick scalping trades, for quick day trades. So I hope that makes sense. But as you can see here, the same sort of situation is forming on HNT. So you got to be mindful of that and understand if this uptrend breaks, don't hold the bag. Get out the trade and then catch a bigger dip. Potentially I'm looking, as that previous peak was 1522, I personally would like that as a buy-in if the uptrend does not support, right? So that is very key. Now obviously I had a question from Jack the other day, and he said, do you set stop losses on these trades? Well, at this point in time I'm not, because it is super light. But what I will be doing is watching this uptrend. Sorry. So if the uptrend doesn't support, then I will just simply exit the trade and wait to catch a bigger dip buy, just as what has happened before. Unfortunately, I didn't trade HNT before this, so this is still fairly new. for me as well. So we're going to try and catch these dips. What I'm going to do for the membership group is just set up a alert here for this trend bounce. Add alert. Dude, this always happens. Are you the guy who ate the giant cheese wheel? Yes, sir. Some weird ass comment. So yeah, looks like I really think we come down to the trend line. We saw some choppiness similar to that in the past. Maybe we come back to 17. But I wouldn't want to enter at this extension here. I'd want to wait for the come down to the trend line and then go from there. But in the meantime, I'm going to set this up. God damn, why is it not working? Let me just pick it up on here. Trend line bounce. Chart. Oh, it looks like it's this. I'm gonna watch volume here. What's one coin doing in the meantime? Looks like it's coming down a bit more. Really would want that 1658. If that comes, then that would be an opportunity I'll be jumping right onto. HNT looks like a bit of a fake out here because volume is still pretty weak. I'm just going to chart this resistance just to make sure we're watching it. We got an all-time high here of 1748, so I'll be watching that as well. Hey Mike, how you doing, buddy? We are trading some crypto live. Welcome to the live. If you guys are wondering where I'm trading and where I'm buying my cryptocurrency, I'm using Binance, Coinbase, and KuCoin. I've left the links in the description box below if you guys want to use those links and if you want to use those platforms. But HNT volume's still low, so I've not got any FOMO at this point. Where did I have this charted? 1522, didn't I? Yeah. If the uptrend breaks here, I'll look for 1522. Watching this one carefully. Let me just set up this quick alert for my team. Come on, come on, come on. All right, it's working, it's working. Right, just set up alert for the uptrend for any members watching. We've set up the alert. Oh, try to change that's because that was me. So I've got alert on this. As you can see, got an alert on the uptrend. So let's see if we can come down a bit more. I want this to come down a bit more. I really want to get back in. So let me just be patient with this. In other news, like I said earlier, we're watching one Harmony coin as well. Huge triangle forming here, and this will be a very nice trade. Oh, excuse my charts here. Look, as you can see, this is gonna, I really want to jump in around 1658. If I get that entry, I'll be pretty pleased. It's come down from a previous all-time high of 22 cents. This would be a very nice hey Omish, That Omish Jew, welcome, my friend. Jack, thoughts on Phil USDT? Oh yeah, I know you've been mentioning that one, Jack. Just to let you know, Jack, I think you heard that right. I've set a alert in the group, so we don't have to keep looking at this chart here. Let's just wait for the trend line to hit, and then we take it from there. Let me just make the trend line a bit sharper so we can make sure we get alerted for this. I'm just gonna make this slightly sharper, like so. So let's wait for the trend line alert there, and you guys watching the live will see that on my charts as well. Let's look at Phil USDT, because Jack wanted to go through that, and I know he's been mentioning that quite a bit on Phil USD dollar. Yeah, let's go with this. Okay, down 0.59%. I'm watching 1 USD. I'd need that to come down a bit more. Oh, some big swings here, right, Jack? Big swings. But what are we thinking here? Because this is just all over the gaff, right? This one's all over the gaff. But some big swings, and I like this one for potential some day trading here, Jack. So appreciate you for bringing this to the attention. I'm just going to quickly look on the 15-minute time frame and see what's going down here. Have we seen wow? But wow though, man, seriously, because 170 to 240, whew, that could be a very nice trade. How long did it take to come down? Let's see. That was there on the 1st of April. We're now 3rd of April, a couple of days. Where can we find support? That's the next question. Where can we get a good entry? Looks to be strong. What the hell happened here though, right? Look at this candle. I'm going to zoom in. Whoa, look at this candle here. That's the dip buy you want to catch, right? Hey Richard, no, this one's just for cryptocurrency, I'm afraid, just because of the fact that the markets are closed. It's the weekend. Nothing better to do than make some money with crypto here on lockdown. So unfortunately, no. But if you drop me a message, Richard, on Instagram or whatever, if you want to get any stocks discussed with me, then I'm happy for that for you to do that as well. But maybe I come back on the evening for stocks, but this one's just for crypto at this point, because yeah, we're gonna be profiting off some crypto. Jack, I really like 159.81. Can we get 159.81, Jack? Are you currently in this, Jack? I think you said you're already in this, but I really like that dip buy at 159.81. What's happening everywhere else? HNT $17. We're still waiting for the trend line bounce, so hopefully that comes around. Volumes died down, so I'd expect it to. 1 USD continuing to work its way down here. Really like this 1658 level, and I think we're gonna hit. We do have some support here at 1670 level, but I don't think we support there. I think we come down a bit more, and based on the overall pattern formation here, I would like to see 1658. I would be very happy with 1658 as entry on Harmony. But yeah, crypto guys, crypto is doing well all around. Crypto is just doing so well, so we cannot miss this opportunity. But a similar pattern formed here. Then we saw that big breakout. I just want to show you guys that exact same pattern was kind of forming with this downward wedge, right? And you could play the swings within this triangle, but as you can see, all you had to do previously, are you guys seeing this, how easy this can be? Which is why I've got 1601 charted, because 1601 could possibly happen towards the end of this triangle, but I think it's going to happen much earlier. I think 1658 is going to bounce, and just as it has done in the past, 1658 bounced, and then it broke the triangle as well, and that's what I'm going to be watching for. I want a break of the triangle, and I really would like to see 22 cents as a potential profit target. But who knows, seeing as though this is the 3rd time testing that zone of 22 cents. It's tested before here at the top of this triangle, tested the second time at the formation of the new triangle, and we may see it again. And if it's a triple, if it's attempting it for the third time, you may see that eventually break that barrier of 22 cents, and we could then potentially move much higher, much higher. So at this point, I really want that entry of 1658. It seems like it's going to happen. It's working its way down here gradually, and when volume starts to pick up, that is going to throw this thing, and that's what we're going to be watching for. I hope that makes sense, Jack, what I was just discussing here. Oh, Phil USD. Come on, is it coming down a bit more? I think 159.81. Jack, 159.81. But if you look at the potential returns here on Phil USD, you potentially go from a low of 159 to a high of 237. What return is that? Let me quickly calculate that. What return is that? 159 to 237. 237 minus 159. 237 minus 159. Divided by 159. That's a 49% increase. You could potentially make a 49%. Best case scenario on Phil USD, we could make a 49%er, right? On when just trying to weigh up what the potential returns here, and on 1 USD, if you get an entry of 1658 with a high of 22, what are we talking? That's a return of, say, 32%. So the reward here and the risk seems better on Phil USD, Jack, compared to Harmony. And then on HNT, we're just playing this into the moon. This is going straight to the moon. We just keep playing it, right? Oh, is it coming down? Can we get this dip buy? But yeah, I prefer, out of all of these, in fact, Phil USD. Oh, Jack, you might get your entry here, boy. Let's see. Can we get 1.5? Let me just adjust this resistance. Support. 160. If you can get 160, I like that. I really do like that. But I don't know much about this coin, I'm afraid. Phil USD. Let me just quickly search. What do Phil USD do? Filecoin. Yeah, sorry, I'm pronouncing it Filecoin. Sorry, Filecoin. Okay, it's an open source public cryptocurrency. What do they do? Oh, it allows people to rent unused hard drive space. So it's replaced Litecoin as the 9th largest digital coin in terms of market cap, assuming. So if that's the use case here, someone wrote 3 days ago, there was an article written 3 days ago saying, is the forecast for Filecoin 200 USD? Well, it clearly surpassed 200 and went to 237. If we get 160, I think I'm going to buy one. You know what? In fact, I am going to do a... You know what? This support looks more realistic, if I'm honest. Okay. Anyway, to be honest, I'm just gonna stick with 160 for now, and let's just watch the price. HNT coming down here. Can we get a dip buy? Because we've been working with this trend line for some time now. It is working its way towards the trend line. Volume is still weak, so let's continue to watch this. It's coming down here. Let's pay attention, and we can catch this. 1 USD is still coming down. Fantastic. 1 USD is still coming down. Where can we go from here? Jeez, I'm about to add some more money into my Binance account. Jeez. File USD. Oh, It really wants to come down. It really does want to come back down. But I'm fearful that it's going to get support at 164 instead. And I don't want to miss this opportunity. So we're going to have to watch this closely. Might be a hard one to judge because we've got several support areas in this sort of area. I think anywhere in that area, as long as we get a good bounce, maybe this could be. Oh, please don't tell me this is support. Volume is picking up here as well. Damn it. I really think at these levels though, even around here is still a good potential entry, because look at those. But it just as it 237, look at that huge sell off. So I really would like a good entry. So we're going to be watching it closely. HNT 1687. Come on, sell off a bit more. Will you? Any other coins you guys looking at, just feel free to leave it there in the live chat. And yeah, we're going to continue to make some money here, boys. Let me just check what's going on in the Discord. Keenster is back. Oh. Bum, bum, bum. Right, HNT, come on down, son. Come on down, boy. Let's get that dip buy. Brother. Right. Oh, ADA, man. ADA is just catching huge moves as well. Let's pull up ADA, but quickly. Everything's getting that dip buy. I really would like these dip buys. There's so many dip buy opportunities coming up here. Filecoin continue to drop. Jack, are you watching this, brother? I hope you are. Man, me and Jack, bro. Jack is the funniest guy ever, man. What a guy. Oh, it's coming down. It's coming down, boys. Let's go. This is the dip buy coming in on Filecoin. Who's ready? I'm definitely not ready because I got so many dip buy opportunities here. Oh, forget HNT for now. Oh, 1 USD. Okay. I'm gonna buy in. 1 USD. Oh, it's coming down further. Can we see 1601? Guys, 1601. Oh my god, I'm looking at so many coins. 1601. File USD is tanking off as well. Everything's coming down. Can we see 160? I'm going to put a buy order 160 for File USD. One coin, I'm going in. Oh my days. Will it come down? Will it come down more? Will it hit this trend? Will it hit this line? No, it's all kicking off here, boys. It's all kicking off. I'm going onto my Binance to see what's going down, but oh, File USD. This is what I like to see. Burn. We want to get that good dip by HNT. HNT is not quite hit the trend line bound, so we're not gonna enter that yet. But oh man, all the attention here. Oh my days. Will we find support here? I'm looking at 1601. If 1601 comes in, that will be an absolute beauty. An absolute beauty. Dude, it would be an absolute beauty. Oh! 1601, come on. 16. Oh! Oh my days, oh my days. Oh my days. I'm in one coin. I don't know if that was a good choice, but I'm in. Who's watching? Who we got here? We got Keenster. Yo! Oh, 1601, man, 1601. Now what I'm praying for is that this I'm in. I'm gonna just alert it to the team here. Wow. Zarmina, what's good? Welcome, Zarmina. Oh, could this be the best dip buy ever? Because guys, that was fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Oh my god. It's a bit worrying because we want to make sure it supports here. Holy moly. Come on, fly. Good morning, Mr. Bongman. Guys, I've just alerted in the group, one coin I just bought in here at this dip. You still got a chance to get in, but you got to be quick. Just make sure it supports here pretty well, and it's doing that, which I'm pretty pleased with. Oh, what a dip buy. Filecoin, on the other hand, we were looking at Filecoin as well. And Filecoin, we still want 160, boys. We still want 160. In the meantime, I'm just going to load up. I need to put some more cash into my Binance because, man, they're all going into these trades. But OneCoin, what a dip buy there. What a dip buy, boys. What a dip buy. Everyone's buying in here because they know that's good support. Very good support. So congrats if you're in. But let's ride this one through, boys. Let's ride this one through. But, man, can we get back above 658? That would be amazing. If we can get back above 1658, then it is absolutely beautiful. It would be absolutely beautiful. What's everyone saying? Zarmina, how are you? Mr. Bongman, how are you, my friend? Hope everyone's good and enjoying their weekend. Oh, what a dip buy. What a dip. Look at the volume, guys. See what I'm saying? That dip buy was great for two reasons. The volume spiked and everyone started buying in. You see what I mean? Oh, yes. We just need above 1658. Yes, sir. Above 1658. And we will be back into that safer territory, as I like to call it, guys. Yeah. So I like it. Seeing as I only put $200 in. But if it fell below, I would look for a next support. But unfortunately didn't have it charted, so that was pretty risky of me. But 1660, 1652, it's hovering there. But we're back into this zone here, so I'm just gonna have to potentially rechart this so it looks cleaner. But volume is spiking, so I think that was a very good dip opportunity which we got into. On the other hand, there, File USD it looks like it wants to sell off a bit more. It almost looks like it's found support, but I really think I would like to see it come down more. But we may have missed the opportunity here. But I'm going to quickly, whilst I'm here, I'm going to quickly add some money to my Binance account. I know some of you guys, especially my members, shout out to you guys. I know you guys have been struggling with the whole Binance situation. It's not the easiest thing to use, you know what I mean? But I'm going to do a separate tutorial there, just going through Binance. It's a bit of some of you found it easy, some of you found it hard, and I completely understand that, because it's not, how much should I add? I want to add about 500, shall we? Let's go with 500. Come on, I want to buy a couple of File USD at these levels. How much should that be? To 320? Yeah, let's go with 2. Deposit successful. Fantastic. Let's go buy some crypto then, shall we? That's great to hear, Mr. Bongman. Good. Still trying to figure out how to get money. Yeah. Sorry, just read that now. Yeah, absolutely, man. It's not the easiest, right? Zarmina, great to hear you're good. Busy weekend, but wanting to come out and watch for a bit. Oh, thanks so much. Thank you for your support, Zarmina. Make sure you guys drop a like and make sure you subscribed as well. That'd be much appreciated. But yeah, 1 USD, fantastic dip buy opportunity there, which we caught. I've alerted it there to the team, so hope you guys got in as well if any members are watching right now. And I think we're back into that safer territory, as you can see. So very, very neat stuff, and a great entry once again. So congrats to the team if you're in, and anyone else watching as well. So I'm going to forget that one USD for now and focus on something else. File USD, I did want 160, but it's not hit yet, so I'm going to have to ignore that for now. But I missed it. I did think of a dip buy at 162. I really preferably wanted 160. It didn't happen, so there we go. We missed the opportunity, but we'll look for another one, right? So is what it is, and we will keep looking for the next one. In the meantime, let me just buy some USDT, right? Because I need to get trading again. HNT, on the other hand, did we hit the trend line? No. Oh, we were so close. And I did say 1650 was that's 1656, so a bit higher than what I wanted, but it's still coming down, so we may still catch, may be able to still catch the old HNT. 491. Just going to buy some USDT. So once you get your money into Binance, you need to obviously buy one of the coins there, and what you should be able to get is, I generally like to use USDT. Once you get USDT, you can then use your USDT to buy everything you need to, right? But man, we just so close to the trend line there, but we missed it. 1 USD is back to where we like it. Fantastic. We're seeing volume was spiking to push it back out. So a lot of buying definitely came in at that support of 16. Well, this one caught at 16.08, so just shy of where we were expecting. But very good, very nice. So I'm not too bothered, but as I said, with 1 USD, if you guys missed it, where I'm seeing this go is on the 1 hour time frame. Whoops. On the 1 hour time frame, this bounce, look what happened with this bounce before. We bounced there, and where did we go? We went all the way to 22 cents. So I think that dip buy is a very critical entry point, because we could potentially catch a huge wave. And at this point right now, I really don't see it going any lower as long as we get back. If we can break to the upside on this triangle, so I'm looking at 1735. If we can break above 1730-ish level, then I'm pretty confident this is going to go flying again. And obviously we're going to want to see volume. Would want to see volume remain consistent here. Jack has brought through another coin. And I want to check that out in just a second, mate. Just going to quickly check how things are looking here. Just make sure they're supporting here. If you are in it heavy on this particular trade, you could set a sell order for your entry point, so then you can break even if things go bad. So rather than what we traditionally would say a conventional stop loss, you can just put a sell order there, and you can get yourself out at break even. So you can always have that as an insurance policy. That goes out to you, Jack, particularly if I know you asked about that. So if you're worried where the price goes overnight, or if you take your eyes away from the screen, and everyone has busy lives, right? What you can do is set a sell order for the same price at which you bought it, so you break even. And we're gonna do our best to not have any losses in the crypto game. We're just going to keep the profits rolling in. File USD, that would have been a fantastic dip buy. I'm so annoyed with myself. Very, very frustrated that I didn't get that dip buy. I just didn't have it charted clean enough, and I was expecting 160. But oh, that is so disappointing to see, man. So disappointing to see. You would have gone 160 to 170 in a flash. 162 to 172 in a flash. Incredible scenes here. I'm just going to look at ANKR, seeing as though Jack has pulled it up. But seeing as though we missed file USD, I'm pretty pleased with the dip buy on 1 USD. We're doing pretty well there, and I really like how things are going with 1 USD. But tell you what though, the dip buy on file USD would have been fantastic. Oh, look at that. 1 USD, 1665, very, very nice. Couldn't ask for more than that. In fact, how much we up by? Unfortunately, Binance doesn't really give you, the detail which we like to see, but let me see what's going down here, shall we? What was this? 1 coin, 1 USD. Put $200 in, or was it near $300 in fact? So let me just quickly see. 1668. I'm up about $20 already. $20 in a couple of minutes. Can't complain with that, right, guys? Let's pull up ANKR. Seeing as though Jack is wondering what's going on there. 1668. Let me just quickly check. I'm so annoyed with Filecoin, Jack. Really am. I'm so close. I put some more cash in. Shall I? Let's see if I can still buy in. I don't want to. I hate catching it when it's moved. Yeah, no, I don't like it. This could easily come back down again. It flew like crazy, right? It flew like crazy. But on the other hand, one coin is flying. So I'm really happy with the dip buy we got in there. Has HNT hit the what do you call it? The trend line yet? No. All right, HNT might come in soon, so we'll be watching out for that one. But HNT is just making consistent higher moves. But that Filecoin, man, that is volatile. That is super volatile. But look, it's coming down now, so I'm not going to chase it here on Filecoin. But it would have been a very good scalp for quick returns there. Let's look at, yeah, thanks very much, Jack. Yeah, exactly. Let's just leave out file USD. We're going to keep track of that support level again next time, Jack. Let's keep it charted here. 162. Let's watch that for next time, shall we? Okay, ANKR. Let's move on. We've done a couple of good trades here, and 1 USD. 1 USD Harmony coin is doing incredible here. We're about to see the EMA cross. Jack, you know about that. Members will know about that. When we see that EMA cross, hopefully we get some further volume coming in here. 1677. How much am I up by? Let's quickly check. If it's a quick $50, wouldn't be so disappointed with that, would we? Let's see what we're trading at. 1677. Yeah, it's another up $25, but may or may not add on one coin if we break the breakout. If we break the pattern, then potentially might add some more. We will see about that. Let's look at ANKR, since I keep saying I'm going to look at it, but I don't. So let's look at it now. ANKR USD Coinbase. Let's have a look. Down 2%. Can we see a dip buy? ANKR looks beautiful. Oh, I know you mentioned this one, Jack, but I didn't get a chance to chart it in time. I was too busy looking at those other coins. But another 16-cent bagger over here could have been a good entry. We got another breakthrough of support here. This looks good. What are we seeing as all-time highs? 18 cents. I still prefer. Oh, maybe I'm not looking at the charts, the full chart. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. Just flick back. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. Okay, I was wrong. We got all-time highs of 21.77. This could be a nice trade as well. But volume is looking pretty low right now. Can you see what the volume was before, guys? And look where volume is now. Yeah. No. Not so interested yet. But I don't know too much about this one, Jack. I think maybe you were telling me about this one actually. But we've got resistance at 1862-ish level. It's not as clean, but we'll class that as resistance. 1865 we got resistance. 1661. Can we come lower? We may come lower here, Jack. So I'd stay put for now. Not the best time to be entering here, I personally think. But on the other hand, 1 USD, look at that dip buy, guys. Look at the dip buy. You're on the 1 hour. Look at that candle. You see that candle? We bought that dip buy, and that was fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. So congrats if anyone's watching and they're in. I really like that. That was textbook, wasn't it? Textbook. And look, we're rallying up here, running up here, 1680. Now we may see the bigger move happen if volume stays consistently high here. It is a Saturday, right, boys? So Saturday, not much going on. People are trading crypto. Market's closed. What else is there to do? So someone's probably volume. Yeah, I think I need to stop looking at this because I'm just liking the charts. Let's just leave it be and let it run its course, right? But FOU USD, not a good time to enter, I think. But oh man, I'm kicking myself because that entry would have been beautiful, which we had there, and I could see it coming. We did mention it was going to come down, but I didn't expect it to fall short of the 160, and it stopped at 162, rejected, and bounced like crazy. It bounced like crazy, but we may even come down again. So if you miss your opportunity, there will always be another opportunity. So you just got to be patient with it and wait for it. But oh man, I'm liking Harmony Coin so well here, and very pleased, very pleased. Let's see, we got any other coins? I know I've mentioned some other coins, and some people have mentioned other coins as well. So let's have a look. I've got a list of coins here, so let's see if we can have a look at some more. But ANKR, like I said, Jack, not so interested yet. Man, everyone's asking about ANKR. Waka says link. Wow, okay, it looks like it's breaking through soon. Can you look at link? Yep, I'll look at link for you. There's a lot of good dip buys coming in here. Link USDT. Let's go with that. Let's go with correct. Now, some of these charts look really weird, so I'm just gonna go with Coinbase. Oh, there's so many dip buys, man. Wow, literally everything came down at the same time. So, man, there was dip buys everywhere. Right. ANKR has just been listed on Coinbase, someone says there. Thanks for the information. So ANKR then, that catalyst might push it through. Volume levels have been pretty decent throughout on this ANKR coin. Let me just quickly flick to the 1 hour time frame and see how volume is looking there. No wonder I'm looking at the Coinbase chart. So Coinbase. Right. So, oh, I see what's going on here. Okay, so Coinbase ICO'd it at 9 cents, and it's flew to 16 cents. Man, I need to track these ICOs a lot more. Yeah. Thank you very much, Wakas.